When I was thinking about Pitt, I really fell in love with the community. I saw in Pitt an atmosphere where I felt like I was at home. I noticed at Pitt I didn't have to pigeonhole myself into one specific major. I could actually explore many majors, opportunities, and experiences. Hi everyone, my name is Kyle Wyche. I majored in ecology and evolution, and I actually minored in chemistry. So now I'm a two-time alumni at the University of Pittsburgh, and one of the reasons I came back is because Pitt was a humongous support. I also started my company here in Pittsburgh, so I wanted to come back and make sure that I was building on those connections within the University of Pittsburgh as well as in the city. Another reason why I came back to Pitt is because of the resources. Pitt is a huge university, and it's a Research One institution. So my company is a part of the business side of things, but also the science side of things, and I want to merge those two. So while I'm at Pitt, I want to make sure that I have the science background as well and know who I can reach out to if I needed support and help there. So while I was at Pitt, I really wanted to know where I should be going, and to construct that path, I wanted to meet other people who were in the fields that I wanted to get into. Through the Innovation Institute and the Big Idea Center, I met with many mentors and people who could guide me along the path of building my own company. Babs Carrier was a huge help with getting my company up and running. In addition, there are entrepreneurs in residence. These are individuals who have built their own companies, have failed at building companies, and have succeeded at building companies. And they were helpful in the sense of teaching me more about the nitty-gritty, to how to form an idea, how to build that idea into a corporation, and how to take that idea and market it. So that was a huge aspect in learning more about how to build a company, and then taking a passion of mine, which was food waste, and turning that into an actual viable product and company. So I dove deeper into that area, and I realized that food waste actually contributes a huge amount of carbon emissions, about 8%, which is more than all airline industries combined. And then during that time, I got with a few classmates, some at University of Pittsburgh, as well as surrounding universities, and we created our own company called Ecotone Renewables. Ecotone Renewables is sustainably processing food waste and converting it into electricity and organic plant fertilizer, which we call soil sauce. What we do is we build these anaerobic digestion systems in an 8 by 20 foot shipping container, which you can think about similar to a stomach. So all you'd have to do is take your food waste, open up the trash chute, put it inside and close it. And on the inside, the magic happens. We put food in, there's bacteria in that stomach, it breaks down the food, the stomach burps, trapping that methane gas and converting it into electricity instead of putting that into the atmosphere. And every stomach gives off something, so what we drain out is an organic liquid fertilizer. Every gallon of soil sauce puts about 90 pounds of carbon dioxide back into the ground, as opposed to that food waste giving it off into the atmosphere. And our goal is by 2030, we want to impact about 1% or more of the global climate emissions. We want to put that carbon dioxide back into the ground. So something that I'm super excited about for this quarter is that we just won the University of Pittsburgh Sustainability Challenge. What that means is that we will be putting 5 systems on the Pittsburgh campus. We're going to be processing about 10 tons of food waste a year from all the facilities on campus. So you may see a digester sitting around the corner from you. Something that I really want people to take away from this video is that I'm here as a resource. If you ever want to learn about how I started as a freshman and got to point B where I am currently and where I want to go, come ask me. If you ever want to see one of the Ecotone Renewables Zeus digesters, we give tours all the time. If you're looking for internships, we constantly have some. So again, I'm here as a resource. My name is Kyle Wyche, and please do reach out. I'm happy to answer questions.